Hello, it's Dr. Lisa Marie here, and I'm going to tell you all how you can make your penis look bigger, even before you had your penis enlargement surgery with us. Many men have excess fat in the pubic region. This can make your penis look smaller because it becomes hidden as the excess fat overhangs. This problem can be solved by a liposuction procedure in this area. This removes the excess fat and helps to expose more of your penis. Also, make sure that you keep the pubic hair trimmed back or even shave it completely. Too much pubic hair has the same effect as excess fat. It hides the true length of the penis. Penis enlargement surgery can increase both the length and thickness of the penis. Most men who undergo penis enlargement surgery have both length and girth increase at the same time. Of those who have just one or the other, increasing the thickness of the penis is the most popular choice. This is perhaps because when it comes to sex, the thickness of the penis is more important than the length. At Morgate Aesthetics, we offer a free consultation for penis enlargement surgery without any obligation. If this is something that you're considering, why not have a consultation with the surgeon himself? You can get all the facts that you need and see what surgery you can achieve for you. To arrange a free consultation, just call 01302-246-130. That's 01302-246-130. We look forward to hearing from you soon.